My name is Ben Riles. I run the wastewater treatment facility for the city of Moberly. The purpose here is to treat wastewater, and a byproduct of that is biosolids, which we land apply and have recently won an award for. This is one of our sludge holding basins. Right now we are utilizing 100 horsepower Kaiser blowers to mix and aerate the tank. We're soon going to be replacing all of our Tide Flex valving in the tank, and we're going to replace the blowers with Airs and Deltas, which is a hybrid blower and a little more energy efficient. This is one of our aerobic digesters. About 4 years ago we upgraded the mixers to the Tornado mixers, and they do a real good job at mixing the basin for the treatment of the sludge before it goes to the sludge holding tank and land application. This is our sludge pump building. In this building we can pump sludge from any basin to another and land apply through our 100 horsepower Moino sludge pump. The lines over here are all the suction lines coming from various basins. We have our Moino sludge pump, and then we have two discharge lines. One goes to the land application and one goes to the sludge holding basin. So basically we're going to align the valves to open from the sludge holding basin to land application and then start the pump. This equipment behind me is a slurry reel by AgRain. We utilize this equipment for pumping biosolids on our land application fields. Basically we will drag the gun up here with our tractor. We'll set up on one of these runs. We'll rotate it and line it up so it'll go straight down the run, and then at that point we will unhook from the tractor from the reel, come around here, hook up to the gun and drag the gun down the run, at which point then we'll go down the hill, fire up our sludge pump, and it pumps about 400 gallons a minute, shoots about a 110-foot stream out of the spray gun. To move the gun, these chains here are hooked to the hooks on the lift rail, at which time we'll hook a hydraulic hose to the tractor and engage the hydraulics, which pull the stabilizer legs up out of the dirt up to this point, which raises the lift arm to pick the gun up so we can rotate the upper portion of the slurry reel for transport. This is one of our land application runs. Hooking the tractor up to the gun, we can pull this gun 1,280 feet down to the end of the run, at which time we can reel it back up from a variable speed from 1/2 of a foot to about 6 foot per minute. This is our spray cart that actually land applies the biosolids. This is one of our wooded runs. We land apply about 400 gallons a minute. We also have crop fields and hay fields that we spray on also. We land apply on just about any day we can. However, we cannot land apply if the ground is saturated or frozen. So weather can play a big factor in when we're able to land apply biosolids.